One thing that stood out to me was just how pristine and high quality and just unique their designs were. There on the show floor, and they have a whole collection of, whether it's built-in or freestanding products that can go in the backyard, to pizza ovens, and a growing collection of product that felt luxurious in terms of outdoor cooking. And were not only just nice to look at, but had unique lines, and you open them up and the grates inside don't look like what you'd expect a grill grate to look like. So, I mean, they're really taking innovation to another level when it comes to outdoor cooking. And we got the opportunity to sit down with Derek Fry, the CEO and a co-founder of Turo, to talk about it, talk about the launch of the brand, talk about their products, talk about their positioning in the market, and really how they see the outdoor entertainment and outdoor cooking space evolving. And